See this? Grabe yung pagkaluto. Perfect. Perfect. Guys, alam nyo, mahilig ako sa steak. Pero sa steak kasi, marami iba-ibang klase yan. Meron dry aging, may wet aging, at kung ano-ano pa. Meron rin iba't ibang parts ng steak. Ngayon, nandito tayo sa isa sa mga favorite kong steakhouses in the world. Hindi lang Manila yan, ha? In the world. To talk about a certain process na napaka-importante, napakasarap, which is yung dry aging. Interview natin si Chef Chris. Siya yung yung pinaka-head chef nitong favorite steakhouse ko na to, no? Pag-interview natin sa kanya, doon natin malalaman yung proseso na to. I'm a chef, but hindi dahil chef ako, alam ko lahat yan. Hindi ko alam paano yung dry aging. So tara, interviewin natin siya. Let's go! Okay, so ito na ang aking good friend, si Chef Chris. Ayan.
Hi, Chef Ed.
Yeah, so Chef Chris will take us on a tour of his kitchen at saka yung dry aging room, and he will be the one to take us through the process of dry aging. So Chef, are you excited?
Oh, yes, very, very. Especially for you, my friend.
Yan! Okay, so guys, tara, let's go straight to the dry aging room. Pagpasok pa lang, amoy mo na, Chef, no? It smells so meaty.
Oh, yeah.
Di ba?
That's the beauty of dry aging.
That's the beauty of dry aging.
Yeah.
So, Chef, medyo astig to, ha? Ngayon ko na napasok tong room na to. Ano to? Lahat to is, yung ginagamit nyo mismo sa restaurant. These are porterhouse?
Yes, these are what we call short loin.
Short loin.
Short loins pa lang sila.
Okay.
So, once we cut it into slices, then you will have your porterhouse.
There you go.
There you go.
Porterhouse.
T-bone.
T-bone.
Yes.
So, yung short loin, that's like a primal cut, no? Yung mas malalaking cut na
Yes.
tawag doon?
Yes.
Oo. So, good. Tapos, Chef, ito nga, nakikita ko, bakit ganito yung color niya? Yan na ba yung dry aging mismo?
Yes, it's undergoing.
It's undergoing the dry aging.
Undergoing the dry aging process.
Okay.
That's why it's forming a bark right now.
It's forming a bark. Yung
Yeah.
bark na yan, hindi yan sinaserve, no?
Hindi.
Trim yan.
Kaya mahal eh.
Kaya
Quite
mahal.
expensive.
Yeah.
We use, for example, this short loin slab is like 10 kilos.
Okay.
Pag yan, pinanassess namin, after 28 days, ang gagamitin namin dyan, 5 kilos na lang.
Halos kalahati. So kaya mahal. Kasi halos kalahati nawawala.
Yes.
Chef, for those who don't know yung aging na process, is it safe? Why do we do it? And nakakatulong ba yung sa flavor ng steak?
First, your question is it safe?
Yes.
Of course, that's why it's under controlled temperature.
Control temperature. Okay.
That's how they do it before, during the ancient times. Yung wala pang refrigeration, sa mga malalim, they only do the dry aging during the cold season.
Ang galing. So, ang
Diba?
panahon ng caveman, talagang i-age na nila yung meat grill nila.
Siyempre, para meron silang reserva for the winter time.
Okay,
Kaya
okay.
hindi sila pwede mag-hunt.
Tama, tama.
So, what they do is they dry age.
So, nung panahon na yun, nung ancient times, alam na nila yung technique na yan, no?
Yes. That's same thing with salting.
With
Diba?
salting.
Curing.
Yes, curing. Okay. Tapos, Chef, yun nga. So, safe na safe ito. What does it do to the meat? Why do we want to dry? Aside from preserving.
First, develops the flavor.
Flavor.
And second, it tenderizes the meat to a real melting consistency.
Talaga. So flavor and talagang tenderizing. So, what makes it? Parang bine-breakdown kasi niya yata yung mga muscles na, di ba? Muscles ba? Or
Muscle fibers.
The fibers, the muscle fibers.
Yeah.
Wow, amazing. So, this process again, Chef, takes around how many days?
It depends eh. Sa preference nung nagda-dry age. So some for Wolfgang, strictly, we do it for 28 days.
28 days
28
strictly.
days.
Minimum.
Minimum.
Okay, minimum 28 days.
Minimum and maximum 35.
Okay.
Kasi yun. Then after that, we stop. We sell.
We sell it na. So parang art din pala siya, Chef, no? It's really up to you how you want to do it, yung anong lasa yung habol mo. So this is part of the cooking process. Ito pala.
Yes. Some do it for 40 days.
Oh wow, 40
Yes,
days.
some do it for 60.
Okay, okay.
Some mga talagang adventurous, we sometimes do it for 120 days or more.
Natawa ako sa adventures.
Yes.
Diba, diba?
The flavor becomes really funky, you know?
Funky na. Yung parang punk na umami na blue cheese. Parang
Yes,
na.
exactly.
Okay.
Parang keso.
Parang keso na. Galing, galing. Yung amoy eh. Yung amoy, hindi siya
Wala,
amoy
wala.
bulok eh. Hindi, it's amoy
Masarap.
really good na meaty flavor. So yun. I guess all we have to do now is try the steak. Let's cook it, di ba?
Let's go.
Ayan, sige, let's go.
Also have our Wolfgang Steakhouse sauce. It
Wow.
goes well with almost everything.
Sariling timpla niyo yan, chef.
Yes.
Ayun.
Our very own.
Yan. Sige, let's try it. Chef, ano, start na tayo. Try
Yes.
na natin. Sige. Serve na kita, chef. Oh, here you go. Ay, sila na pala. Ayun, wow.
Allow us. This one is the fillet part, the most tender part of the steak, and this one is
Fillet part. Wow. Sorry, it's fillet part and the
strip loin.
sirloin part. Okay.
Right, and then for your sides, you got the cream spinach.
Ayan, meron din tayong
Serve it
sides.
together with the mashed potato.
Cream spinach and mashed potato. Pero before I try the sides, I'll try the steak first.
Yes.
Gusto ko matikman tong dry aging na pinagmalaki natin the whole day. I'll start with the strip loin. Tara, chef, sabayan mo ako. See this? Grabe yung pagkaluto. Perfect. Perfect. Chef, nakakailang steak kayo per year? Ilang tonelada ng steak yan?
Ang madami.
Dami talaga.
Yung tonelada lang. Nasa ano kami? Nasa mga more than 60.
More than 60 tons a year. Cheers. Cheers. Nambog?
Diba?
Try ko naman tong fillet. Yan guys, the fillet.
Mashed potatoes, ha?
Yes, thank you, chef.
Sir,
Alam nyo,
Side.
the cream spinach. Side kwento, I was able to actually try Wolfgang's in the US. So nung nagka-training pa yung team ng Philippine team doon, nagkataon I was there. So sabi nila, Ed, visit us here, we're training, pakainin ka namin. Gulat ako. Sabi ko, ganun pala ang tunay na steakhouse style. It was really good. Really good. Sabay, you're able to bring it here to the Philippines. The dry aging is here, so it's really legit. You don't have to send it dry age. You dry age it here yourself.
Yes.
It's tender, it's flavorful.
Every store, ha?
Every store.
Each store here in the Philippines or all over the world has their own dry aging room.
Wow. So did you hear that, guys? Every store in the Philippines has their own dry aging room.
Yes.
So they dry age everything themselves. Chef, ano pang mga last trivia mo about dry aging that you feel will make us appreciate this steak more? Naabang kumakain ulit ako.
Basically, that's it. It's a very easy and plus complicated process. Because you have to have the right equipment, the right temperature, the right humidity. If everything goes well with those three, then there you go.
There you
You'll have good meat. But when you miss one of that, you're just going to ruin the meat.
Alright, chef. Amazing steak. No
Thank
joke. Cheers. And syempre, kailangan red wine pag steak yung kinakain. Cheers. Sarap. So guys, if you really want to try dry aged steaks, no, the best place to get it is here sa Wolfgang Steakhouse. It's really one of my personal favorites, and I told you guys earlier in the video, I love steaks. I'll eat steak anywhere, but if I really want premium steaks, no, this is the place to go. Alright, chef.
Thank you, brother.
Thank you, Chef Chris. Super fun interview today. Alright, thank you. Guys, ganito pala feeling maging steak. Ang lamig. Kasi super lamig. So, ganun pala yung sa dry aging, no? Pinapalamig siya. Gusto ko sana mag-experimento mag-dry age sa bahay para hindi kaya na 24 hours may pa-aircon para lang sa pagkain. Ref nga pala tawag doon, hindi aircon. Pero, guys, astig. And guys, isa na namang informative episode, itong YouTube episode na ito. Yung kagandahan ng episode natin today, nalaman natin yung dry aging na steak. Ako kahit chef ako, hindi ko naman alam paano gawin yan. Alam ko paano, pero di ko kaya gawin. No? Napakita sa atin, kailangan controlled temperature, sobrang lamig, para hindi yung bacteria maging harmful bacteria. So ano siya, healthy bacteria. O, diba guys? So guys, please do not forget to tune in, subscribe, and like this video. Saka hit that bell para every time may new video ma-notify kayo. Okay guys? Sige, yun lang. Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay naman. Lamig, no? Single tape lang. So, nakalock pala tayo dito. What if na-lock pala tayo dito? Take two.